How many reformed roughnecks do we have in the house? They're like, nah, we ain't reformed, like, this is what it is. Whether you reformed or not, let me hear the fella say, hey! Hey! When this hand goes like this, I need you to say, hey! Ladies, gotta watch out, gotta get a roughneck. Thank you for coming out tonight. It's been an honor.